Unlock the power of phrasal verbs with put. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to demystify phrasal verbs with put. A phrasal verb consists of a verb and a preposition or adverb that modifies or changes the meaning. The verb put is versatile, and when combined with different words, it brings out unique meanings. Let's dive in. The verb put typically means to move or place something in a particular position. But when it's used in phrasal verbs, it often takes on entirely new meanings. For instance, put up with doesn't involve any physical movement at all but instead means to tolerate something. Now let's look at some common phrasal verbs that use put. 1. Put off. This means to delay or postpone something. For example, I can't put off my homework any longer. 2. Put on. This usually means to dress oneself with something. For instance, don't forget to put on your coat. 3. Put up. This could mean to construct or erect something. Example, they put up a new school in our neighborhood. 4. Put down. This might mean to insult or belittle someone. For example, he felt bad after his friend put him down. 5. Put through. This means to connect a phone call, but can also mean to cause someone to endure something difficult. Example, she was put through a rigorous interview process. 6. Put up with. This means to tolerate. For example, I can't put up with his laziness anymore. Remember, context is critical for understanding these phrasal verbs, as some have more than one meaning. Learning is all about practice. Here's a sentence. Try to fill it in with the correct phrasal verb. I can't blank this heat any longer. I need an air conditioner. Did you say put up with? If so, well done. That's it for today's lesson on phrasal verbs with put. Remember, practice is key, so try to use these in your daily conversations. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!